What is going on, guys? Mitch from Shock Therapy, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the rear link kit on the Polaris General XP1000. This link kit's going to do a couple of different things for you guys. Not only do they look really good, it also helps add stability when you are cornering on the trails. It's also going to help keep the car more planted and level when you're out getting more aggressive with your buddies. This installation is more in depth, so it's going to take you a little bit longer to install them because of where the link is located on the vehicle itself. This install should take you about 2 hours, so let's jump on in. I'm going to show you guys how to install it.
Your first step in the installation is to remove the factory nut holding the sway bar link to the sway bar. This is done by using a 15mm wrench and a 15mm socket. Next, remove the lower nut and lower bolt, which will in return allow you to remove the upper bolt from the sway bar link. With all of the hardware removed, you can now remove the factory sway bar link from the vehicle. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. When you guys are setting up the link, just make sure that you bottom out the rod end and then kick it to 90 degrees. Finger tighten the jam nut. So one rod end is facing that way. And along with the spacers, all of your spacers are the same. There is no specific orientation in which these go. Install the lower spacers into the rod end and begin the installation onto the vehicle. When you guys are going to install the link into the lower arm, we do recommend that you can use a rubber mallet. It does help with the ease of installation. With the link installed into the arm, you can now reinstall the factory lower hardware. Next, install the upper spacers into the rod end and align the link to the sway bar. Attach the sway bar link to the sway bar using the factory hardware. Make sure that the bolt goes through the sway bar, through the link, followed by the nut on the backside. With both links installed, you can now tighten all of the hardware, starting with the lower, ending with the upper. Make sure you torque all of the hardware to 51 foot-pounds and repeat these steps on the opposite side. With all of the hardware torqued, you can now tighten both jam nuts on both links using a 15/16 wrench, and your installation is complete.
We hope that this video helped you guys with the installation of your link kit at home. As always, we recommend to check those jam nuts and make sure that they are still tight after the first 100 to 200 miles. This link kit does use 5/8 rod ends, which means that your service life of the link kit itself is going to outlast all of the aftermarket link kits that use 1/2-inch rod ends. This link kit is a wearing item, which means in the event that you do have to replace the rod ends, you can simply unscrew them and purchase them from the website. If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. If you guys have any questions or need any technical assistance, feel free to give the shop a call at 623-217-4959. If you guys would like to order this link kit or any other products from Shock Therapy, visit the website at shocktherapyusa.com. Check, check. Josh, can you hear me? Sound good? Kind of. Add more rigidity. Not only do they look good, it'll be our little secret. What's in the corner, Josh?
We're getting rowdy.
We're getting rowdy. This is how we roll, Jacob. I do this like 100 times, and then I forget everything I say, and then yeah, I'm not gonna remember that. Sling kit is wearing in the event. Wearable. I'm not wearing the link kit. I'm like kind of tripping out because that's like right in my eyes and I'm staring at the camera thinking I'm going cross-eyed. Dude, it's like, it's so bright. I literally feel like I'm going cross-eyed when I'm staring at that.
Probably are.
I know. It's freaking me out, man. You're freaking me out, man.